So Japanese has its own version of the phrase, the king of the jungle, which usually refers to, a lion. But their phrase is 百獣の王. That's literally king of 100 beasts. So obviously, the best way for us to learn this phrase is to make a funny Japanese t-shirt. So we could have a shirt like this. It just says 百獣の王, like literally the king of 100 beasts, the king of the jungle. But instead, what if we did 百獣の王? And the reason that we would do 王 is because O has that long O sound, but 王 also has a long O sound, so it kind of sounds like a play on words. And if you didn't know, 王 means roar. So the literal meaning would be the roar of 100 beasts, but since a person who knows Japanese would know that it's referencing the king of 100 beasts, 百獣の王, the king of the jungle, it sounds like, maybe we could translate it as like the roar of the king. And if you don't know the word 王, I have a great way to learn that also. Just go into Google and type 顔 pose, and we can just look at lots of 顔 pose. Let's look at kawaii 顔 pose. There we go. Alright, so now we got our design, we have our phrase, and we just gotta print it on a shirt. And check it out. My shirt came in the mail. That actually turned out pretty good. I'm definitely gonna wear that today. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
この番組はフューチャーラーニングメソッドネイティブシャークがお送りしました。